Welcome, beautiful souls, to Prince Chakras, the sacred space where enlightenment meets empowerment. Today we're delving into the depths of consciousness and unlocking the secrets of the universe. If you're ready to explore the boundless possibilities within, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's dive into the infinite realm of Prince Chakras.
Let's go!
Have you ever considered how powerful your imagination truly is? Can it shape the very fabric of reality? Imagination, often confined to the realm of childhood fantasies and whimsical daydreams, is an underexplored and underestimated tool. Yet, it holds the potential to influence our lives in ways more profound than we realize. It's not just about dreaming up castles in the air or spinning tales of mythical creatures. No, it's much more than that. Imagination serves as a beacon, illuminating the path to our deepest desires. It is a wellspring of inspiration, fueling our creativity and sparking innovative solutions to life's myriad challenges. But its power extends beyond being a mere source of ideas. It acts as a catalyst for personal growth, enabling us to envision better versions of ourselves and our world. So let's delve deeper into this fascinating world of imagination and uncover the immense potential that lies within. Remember, imagination, when harnessed correctly, can become a game changer in our life journey. But how does our imagination affect reality? Is there a science behind it? Well, let's dive into the captivating world of neuroscience to find out. When we imagine, our brain activates the same areas as when we experience real events. It's like a dress rehearsal for reality. Your brain doesn't distinguish between the imagined and the real. Both spark similar neural pathways. Now imagine experiencing the same event repeatedly, even if it's only in your mind. This repetition can lead to neural rewiring. Just as a well-trodden path becomes more defined, so too do the neural paths in our brain with repeated use. This rewiring can influence our perceptions, behaviors, and even our reality. So the act of imagination isn't just daydreaming, it's an exercise in reality creation. It can shape our experiences and mold our future. The brain is a powerful organ, and imagination is one of its most potent tools. So how can we consciously channel our imagination to change our reality? Imagine a world where you have the power to shape your reality. This isn't just a whimsical idea, it's the principle of conscious manifestation. It's the process of focusing our minds, visualizing our deepest desires as if they're already a reality, and allowing this energy to attract those very experiences into our lives. Conscious manifestation is about taking the reins of our lives, steering our experiences towards what we truly desire. It's about acknowledging our potential and harnessing it to create a reality that resonates with our aspirations and dreams. It's about understanding that our thoughts are powerful, and that they have the ability to shape our experiences. And what's more, it's about knowing that this isn't just a passive process. It's an active, deliberate engagement with our imagination. It's about sending a powerful message to the universe and setting the wheels of transformation in motion. Conscious manifestation is an active process, a deliberate use of our imagination to shape our reality. But what's the underlying mechanism of this manifestation? Is there a universal law at play? Let's delve into the concept of vibrational creativity. This theory posits that our thoughts and feelings aren't just fleeting moments within our minds, but rather, they emit vibrations. These vibrations, like ripples on a pond, spread out into the universe. Think of it as your personal radio frequency. Every thought you have, every emotion you experience sends out a unique signal. This signal isn't just background noise. It has an influence, a sway. It can attract experiences that match those vibrations. Imagine your mind as a powerful broadcasting station. When you think positively, you emit high-frequency vibrations that resonate with positive experiences. Likewise, negative thoughts transmit lower-frequency vibrations, attracting matching experiences. This is vibrational creativity, the idea that you can shape your own reality through the energy you emit. It's a profound realization. We are vibrational beings in a vibrational universe, and our thoughts and feelings are the music we play. In a world where we often feel powerless, isn't it empowering to know that we have this unlimited source within us? A source that's been with us since the dawn of our existence, the power of imagination. When we let our imagination roam freely and experience our deepest desires as if they were our reality, we activate a potent force within us. This force, this conscious manifestation, is not just about thinking. It's about feeling, about living each moment as if our desires have already come to fruition. And there's more. Our thoughts, our desires, they emit vibrations like a tune played out to the universe. This is vibrational creativity. Our unique music impacting the cosmos, shaping the course of events, drawing our desires closer to us. You have to harness your imagination, consciously manifest your desires, and play your unique music to the universe. Thank you for joining us on this transformative adventure at Prince Chakras. If you resonated with today's exploration of the unlimited source and the power within, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world and it keeps the energy flowing. Connect with us in the comments below and share your experiences, insights, and the wisdom you carry within. Let's create a community of like-minded souls supporting each other on this beautiful journey. Until next time, keep shining your light, stay connected, and embrace the divine energy within you. Namaste, and may your chakras be forever aligned.